to my YouTube channel. If you see my face for the first time, this is Flossom, and in this channel we do so many amazing things. We do lifestyle, skincare, product reviews, and like I said, so many other amazing things. So do well to like, subscribe, comment, and don't forget to share the link to your loved ones. And to my returning subscribers, how you doing? Thank you for the love and support so far. Thank you for helping this channel grow every day. So guys, moving on to today's video, we'll be reviewing a body product. We'll be reviewing this product. It's been trending for some months now. I think it's a 2023 product, so we'll be reviewing it and I'll be sharing my, let's say, unpopular opinion about it. So let's delve into the video in full. So guys, we'll be talking about the Active Caviar Drip Lotion. The Active Caviar Drip Lotion is trending, like I earlier said. It's the 2023 trending lotion, and yeah, so many people have been wondering how it works because it comes in 3 different types, and the different types do different things. And yeah, so many people have been asking what does this one do, what does this one do. And yes, we'll be sharing what they do individually. We'll be starting with the price. It's sold around 6,000 naira. Yeah, some places you can get it maybe 5,800. Yeah, I've seen it in some supermarkets around that price. From that price, from 5,800 naira up to maybe 9,000 naira. It depends on where you are buying it from. Number one type of this Active Caviar Drip is the vitamin C and turmeric. It comes in an orange container, and this is a brightening lotion. So if you want to brighten up your skin and you want to use any of this Active Caviar Drip lotions, then you should go for the vitamin C and turmeric. It is very nice. Yeah guys, it is very nice. If you are dark and you want to brighten up your skin, like you want to just pop your skin, then you should consider this. And if you're already light skin and you still want to brighten up, you want to look flawless and beautiful, then you should still consider this. So up on to the next, we'll be talking about the Abutin and the licorice. So this one comes in a black container, and it is active. Yeah, Abutin and licorice, these are actually active lightening products, or active lightening ingredients, and mixing them together, you know that the result is going to be a brightening effect. So this one, a lightening effect. So it lightens up the skin. It is super lightening. If you want to lighten up your skin like very well, then you should go for the Abutin and licorice. If you're maybe looking for something that is not going to just give you a shade or two, something more, then you should actually go for this. And it's sold around the same amount, to the same 5,800 naira and upwards. And then on to the next, it is the Gluta-C injection, also known as the 24K Gold. And on it is written super bleaching. So you know what it is already. If you want to bleach up, if you want to whiten up, then you should go for the Gluta-C injection. Gluta-C is actually, that's the glutathione. It is very active, and then when it's now mixed with injection, guys, that is going to actually bleach you up. So it is a super bleaching product. And yes, if you want something very effective, if you don't want to settle for a brightening product, if you don't want to settle for a lightening product, and you want to settle for a super bleaching product, then go for the Gluta-C and injection. You will love your skin actually. So I'm going to be sharing my unpopular yet candid opinion about these lotions, like why I really love them, why I keep recommending. And yeah, number one is it moisturizes the skin very well. Guys, this does the work. If you're looking for something to moisturize your skin real well, if you're looking for something to give you that moisturizing effect, then you should go for the Active Caviar Drip. It does the work very well. Another thing that I love so much about it is the smell, the fragrance. It smells heavenly. It doesn't have any harsh or any terrible smell. It smells very nice, heavenly and mild. So if you're in the category of people who really love mild smelling lotions just like me, then you should consider going for the Active Caviar Drip Lotions. Like, oh, see, they all smell heavenly. And then another thing I love about it is that it is budget friendly. It comes in a 444 ml container, and 444 ml is quite big. It's quite big, and then you use this for a month or two, and before you run out of it. So you see, it is budget friendly. You don't have to maybe buy maybe after 2 weeks. That's another thing I love about it. And the fact that yes, the price is not so outrageous, from 5,800 naira upward, just depending on where you buy it from. You can get it from that amount, and yeah, upward. So you see, it is actually budget friendly. Yes, it is affordable. And the last thing I love about it is that it is effective. Either one you're using, if you're using the vitamin C turmeric, if you're using Arbutin licorice, if you're using glutathione C injection, you're going to love it. Seriously, you will get the results. And then if you want to spice this up, you know I'm always going to give you ways to spice up your products. So if you want to spice this up, do well to start using a body lotion, a body scrub before you start using this lotion. Now I'm going to explain. When you start using your body lotion, say a week or two before you start using this, you're not going to wait for 2-3 weeks, 4 weeks before you start seeing the effect. The effect comes in immediately. You start seeing the effect from the first to second week. You start using it. So use a very nice body lotion alongside a very nice body scrub alongside your body lotion, and you will see the effect in no time, and you will love the results also. So guys, we have come to the end of this video, and I believe you were enlightened, right? So do well to comment. Drop your comments if you have used this, what was the result, and if you intend to use it, which would you use? And yes, I will definitely respond. And yeah, don't forget to like. Also, don't forget to turn on your notification bells so that once a video is dropped, you'll be the first to see it. Don't forget to drop valuable content on this channel, and I'll see you in my next video. For now, bye.